Hi, in this video we are going to see a very good news and the bumper opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the assistant professor vacancies from the government universities. And here the total I am going to show you the assistant professor vacancies notifications from the 5 different central universities and from all over the India. If you belongs to any state, you may apply for these vacancies, guys. And the total 604 vacancies are there. And the few universities are offering the assistant professor permanent post with the level 10 category, that is the salary is in between 57,700 to 1,80,400 rupees per month. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please mention your subjects in the comment section. So if I got the recruitment notification, then definitely I will come up in the next video. So to get my videos as a notifications to your devices, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the 5 different central universities assistant professor recruitment notifications. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement to the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET Electronic Science examination in the month of October 2021. Here the Unacademy is providing the paper 1 and paper 2 complete course as well as the MCQ course and the class PDFs you can download, test series and the doubt clearing sessions. Okay, so you may take the subscription plan, that the link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. And you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. And if you want to contact me personally regarding this one, in the description box the Telegram link is also kept, so you may find out, guys. Coming to the present content of the video, so here in Still Outlook website we got this one, guys. So 5 central universities recruiting the 604 faculty positions and including the 366 assistant professor vacancies. And in this video I am going to show you what are the different list of the central universities and what is the last date for apply to this one and what are the different subjects, okay, the vacancies are there. And to get the clear cut notifications, then you have to go to the individual official website by yourself. Okay, and in my next videos also I will come up in the individual university recruitment notification. But in this video, I am just going to give you one brief idea regarding what are the list of the central universities and what are the subjects, right? So here you may check down the total number of posts are 604 posts in these institutions, and out of these there are 366 assistant professor vacancies are there. And yeah, so coming to the list of the universities are University of Delhi, total 251 assistant professor vacancies and 20th October is the last date. Central University of Haryana, 94 faculty positions, 30th September is the last date. Mizoram University, 61 faculty positions, 13th October is the last date. And the Central University of Punjab, total 86 faculty positions, 21st October is the last date. And Guru Ghasidas University, Bilaspur, 112 faculty positions are there, and it is a rolling advertisement. So rolling advertisement means there will be not, there is no last date for this one. Okay. And coming to the University of Delhi, okay, so here we will see one by one university. So University of Delhi, it is a central university and it announced the 251 vacancies, okay. And yeah, so you may check down what are the different departments and how many number of vacancies are there. And it is providing the academic level 10 category as per the 7th central pay scale. It is 57,700 to 1,80,400 rupees per month. And the list of the subjects here are the departments: African Studies, Anthropology, Biophysics, Botany, Buddhist Studies, Chemistry, Cluster Innovation Center, Commerce, East Asian Studies, Education, Electronic Science, English, Finance and Business Economics, Geography, Geology, Germanic and Romance Studies, Hindi, History, Institute of Informatics, Communication, Law, Library and Information Science, Linguistics, Management Studies, Mathematics, Modern Indian Language and Literary Studies, Music, Operational Research, Persian, Philosophy, Physics and Astrophysics, Plant Molecular Biology, Political Science, Psychology, Punjabi, Slavonic and Finno-Ugrian Studies, Sociology, Statistics, Women Studies and Dev Center. Fine. So these are the subjects from the University of Delhi. And while coming to the Central University of Haryana, so here also the academic level pay 10 for the assistant professor category and the entry pay is 57,700 rupees per month. And coming to the subjects here, English, Hindi, History and Archaeology, Journalism and Mass Communication, Political Science, Psychology, Sanskrit and Sociology. And coming to the School of Interdisciplinary and Applied Sciences, Biochemistry, Biotechnology, Environmental Studies, Library and Information Science, Microbiology, Nutrition Biology, Pharmaceutical Sciences and Yoga. And from the Basic Sciences, Chemistry, Computer Science and Information Technology, Geography, Mathematics, Physics and Astrophysics, Statistics and Law. And coming to the School of Engineering and Technology, Computers, Chemistry, Civil, Electrical, English, Environmental Science, Management, Mathematics, Printing and Packaging Technology. And in the business and management studies, commerce, economics, management studies, and in the education, physical education and sports. And the backlog SC/ST vacancies are also there for the physical education and sports, physics, geography, and for the OBC, environmental studies, library and information sciences. Fine. So total the 94 vacancies are there. And coming to the Mizoram University, so here the total number of posts are 61, and for the assistant professor 7 vacancies are there. Coming to the subjects, English, education, geology, petroleum exploration, environmental science, forestry, horticulture, history and anthropology, social work, psychology and clinical psychology, sociology, economics, management, mass communication, tourism and hospitality management, physics, chemistry, industrial chemistry, mathematics and computer science, botany, zoology, architecture, electronics, information technology, computers, electrical, civil, food technology. Fine. And coming to the Pachunga University College, Mizo Zoology, Public Administration, Commerce, Political Science, Botany and Philosophy. Fine. So these are the vacancies from the University of, Mizoram University. And coming to the next one, Guru Ghasidas University. So from this one here, the total 112 positions are there. Out of this one, the 21 are the assistant professor vacancies. And here the subjects are anthropology, biotechnology, botany, chemical engineering, chemistry, civil, commerce, computers, economics, education, electronics, English, forensic, HRDC, and industrial production engineer and information technology, JMC, law, library science, management, mathematics, mechanical, pharmacy, pure and applied physics, political science, rural technology, zoology, and from the CSIT, electrical engineering, forestry, social work, and physical education. Fine. So these are the different vacancies from the Guru Ghasidas University. And coming to the fifth university, that is the Central University of Punjab. So yeah, Central University of Punjab. Here also the assistant professor level 10 category. Biotechnology, microbiology, pharma science and natural products, computational sciences, botany, computer science and technology, environmental science, geography, geology, economic studies, human genetics and molecular medicines, library and information science, English, law, mass communication and media studies, performing and arts. And coming to the next one, zoology, applied agriculture, biochemistry, microbiology, pharmacology, computational sciences, mathematics and statistics, physics and botany, computers, geography, geology, South and Central Asian studies, history, economic studies, sociology, human genetics and molecular medicines, and Hindi, library and information science, English, Punjabi, law, financial administration, mass communication and media studies, performing and fine arts, psychology and physical education. Fine. So I think almost all the departments are covered in this recruitment notification. So please utilize this opportunity, guys, and I'm requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, please mention your subject in the comment section. So based upon that one, definitely I will come up in the next video. And to get my next video as a notification to your phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you're interested, you may listen, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET, means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscription. Okay,